If you're a spiritual practitioner who's ready to share your gifts online, but the tech part makes you want to sage your laptop, which is a thing, by the way, I see you. Hi, I'm Michelle, and I'm the Where Spirituality Meets Technology gal. And in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it can be to create your first digital offer, even if you're out of technological alignment. You don't need to reinvent yourself to go digital. Take a look at what you already do in your one-on-ones, your readings, your sessions. Can that become a mini course, a downloadable PDF, or a guided meditation? Start small. Transformation doesn't need 40 pages or 5 modules to be real. You can use tools that are 100% free and totally powerful. Here are the ones that I personally recommend. The first one is OBS Studio. OBS Studio is really great for screen recording, video recording, and live video. The next one up, one of my all-time favorites for audio, is Audacity. And Audacity is great to record and edit clean, polished audio. I love that one. And then finally, OpenOffice. Now, there are a lot of others that I use, but I love OpenOffice to help create downloadable PDFs, ebooks, and workbooks. And there's so much more that you can do with that. And with open source platforms, you don't have to pay $300 a month to get your message out. These tools work beautifully, and they're aligned with low stress, low cost digital creation. Then I use a tool like System.io to host your offer, deliver your files, and even automate the whole process. No code, no overwhelm, just a clear path from your sacred gift to digital format, to someone's life being changed by it. Let me show you around that a little bit. I'm really very impressed with the System.io program. System.io is all-in-one. It isn't an open source, but it is one of my favorites. And it offers everything. You've got a wonderful area where you can manage affiliates, take care of affiliates. You can monitor what's going on with your sites and your funnels and your courses. It's got content management area where you can manage contents. You can apply tags. You can create pipelines, and you can even schedule appointments with your clients with this program. It has a scheduling calendar, and you can even set up services to schedule. In the sites area, you can create a website, blogs, sales funnels, and even digital stores. Again, we've got email to help with our content management. You can create newsletters, campaigns, and you can even track them, track the opens, track the links. Automations. If you're familiar with automations, you can set rules to your steps within the process through your client's journey, or you can create workflows. You can also sell physical products and create coupons, courses, digital courses to deliver to your clients. You can create communities, and you can even have a place to store your files and track all your orders, transactions, subscriptions, affiliate invoices, and have your own affiliate program. This program most certainly has it all. If you're ready to try this out, I've created 2 totally free tools for spiritual entrepreneurs just like you. A free plug-and-play funnel template where you are one click away from sharing your gifts with the world. And a free guide to turn your spiritual wisdom into digital gold by taking what you already know and digitizing it. Both are beginner-friendly, beautifully built for spiritual entrepreneurs, and you can get them right now through my link in bio or below this video. It's time to share your gifts digitally. And yes, you can do it without tech stress. Your message matters, and your audience is waiting. Thanks for watching. If this inspired you to finally get your digital offer online without the tech burnout, don't forget to grab your free funnel template or the Turn Your Spiritual Wisdom into Digital Gold guide. Both are linked right below. If this helped you, subscribe for more soulful tech tips, digital strategy made easy, and content to help you grow your spiritual business with flow.